Hi everyone, this is Katie with Excel with Katie, and today I want to take you through how to advanced filter your data. First thing we're going to do is look at our data tab. In my table here, I have employee ID, and I want to fill in my employee name and my salary for these employee IDs. On my second tab, my master file, I have the data that I want to look up and used an advanced filter to fill in my other tab. So here I have employee ID, name, salary, and region. To do so, I'm going to go back to my data tab in my employee name, and up in my top ribbon, I'm going to go over to data and go over to sort and filter and advanced. You're going to click on this, which will bring up this pop-up box that says advanced filter on the top. What you're going to do now is you're going to select copy to another location. You're going to do your list range, which is the data you want to look up into. So our master file, we're going to select all this. You're going to go to your criteria range, and you want to look up based off of the employee ID. So I'm going to select my employee ID column. You'd select all the data you have there. So if it goes to row 200, you'd select all of them. The next thing I'm going to do is come down to my copy to, and I want to select the columns and rows that I want my data filled in. So I'm going to select employee name and salary, hit OK, and that is how all your data will fill in there. Now a shortcut to get to your advanced filter. So on your keyboard, you can hit Alt, A, Q, and that'll bring up your advanced filter pop-up box. Thanks for watching how to advanced filter your data. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below with any formulas or anything else you want to learn about Excel.